Your brain is hardwired to crave sugar with the same intensity as life-sustaining survival behaviors, which explains why fighting a sweet tooth feels a war against your own biology. We'll explore the neurochemical hijack that makes sugar difficult to quit and uncover how it rewires your decision-making centers. By the end, you'll understand exactly why willpower alone is rarely enough to break the cycle of cravings. The primary culprit is dopamine, the neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure and motivation. When you consume sugar, your brain releases a surge of dopamine in the nucleus accumbens, a reward center shared with addictive substances nicotine and cocaine. Unlike a piece of fruit that contains fiber to slow digestion, refined sugar hits your system instantly. This creates a spike that leaves you feeling energized, followed by a rapid crash that triggers an urgent craving for more. Your brain eventually adapts to these constant spikes by downregulating its receptors, meaning you need more sugar just to feel normal. This chemical dependency is compounded by our evolutionary history, where calorie-dense foods were rare and essential for survival. For our ancestors, finding a sweet berry patch was a rare blessing that signaled energy reserves for lean times. Today, however, our environment is flooded with ultra-processed foods containing hidden sugars in everything from bread to pasta sauce. We're essentially hunter-gatherers dropped into an infinite candy store, fighting instincts that were designed for a world that no longer exists. Surprisingly, even the mere expectation of sweetness can trigger these chemical responses before the sugar even hits your tongue. Studies show that when you see a sugary treat, your brain begins anticipating the reward, intensifying the craving through visual cues alone. This is why diet foods often fail. Your brain realizes it's being tricked and may demand even more calories later. But what if there was a way to recalibrate your brain's sensitivity to these signals? Stick around, because we're about to look at the specific time frame needed to reset your taste buds and break the physical habit. Ultimately, sugar addiction is not a failure of character, but a physiological response to a hyper-palatable modern diet. Understanding that your brain is being chemically manipulated is the first step toward regaining control over your dietary choices and long-term health. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of your daily life. Let's know in the comments, what's the one sugary snack you find impossible to resist?